Hi everyone, I am Anupam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another interesting topic, that is ruthless quarantine and human heart. Assam's fight against COVID-19. As you all know, Assam is also known as the gateway to the northeastern region of India. This state is pushing itself at the forefront of the good fight against COVID-19. Assam was never known for its good health infrastructure, but due to the government's proactive approach towards the COVID-19 pandemic, Assam has placed itself at the forefront of the lineup of the states. This fight is being led by the Honorable Health Minister of the state, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma. He responded very quickly by creating multi-pronged strategy to combat virus by aggressive testing and tracing, community surveillance as well as quarantine infrastructure. He has also planned to boost the post-COVID economy of the state. Today in the state there is increasing number of positive cases as migrants are returning to their home. But the state is still in a stronger position than ever to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. As of now, Assam has more than 2100 confirmed cases. This surge is mainly due to the migrants returning to their home. Currently, Assam has 7 ICMR accredited COVID-19 testing laboratories, which was only 2 just a month ago. Also surpassed the Kerala's test count by carrying out more than 55,000 tests in the state. I am proud to say Assam has come up as a dark horse in the race to overcome this pandemic. Apart from the aggressive testing, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of the state has introduced a mammoth program called Assam Community Surveillance. Surveillance task involved all the villages of the state, that is around 28,000, with an aim of test all cases like severe acute respiratory infections, influenza-like illness and fever cases. As a part of this aggressive action plan, based on the findings of the test, government has decided not only isolate such patient but also follow up such cases with contact tracing and appropriate treatment. This extensive program was started in the first week of May, but within 12 days, health officials had covered 18,000 villages and nearly 6 lakh persons were surveyed. More than 57,000 Gram Sabha meetings were conducted. 12,901 persons who come in contact with COVID positive cases were identified and tested for COVID-19 and 35 persons were found positive. Another important concept of this program is community quarantine, which is mainly tracked and supported by the community, where a high-risk contact is isolated within his home in the village. Further, the Sarathi Health Helpline number has been introduced on 1st May 2020 for the citizen of Assam to report their travel history through this helpline. This helpline has received more than 9 lakh calls from across the Assam till date. Furthermore, 3 levels of committees has been constructed to look after the home quarantine as well as the community quarantine centers. Firstly, constituency-wise quarantine management committee, which is chaired by the local MLA. Its function is to look after all institutional quarantine centers preparation, their management of food supplies, hygiene, security, medical arrangement, etc. within the constituency of that particular MLA. For rural areas, village level home quarantine management committee has been formed, which is being chaired by the Gram Panchayat President. Its function is to look after home quarantine as well as community quarantine in the area of that particular Gram Panchayat and also provide food supplies, hygiene, security, medical arrangement as per the notified government norms. For urban areas, ward level home quarantine management committee has been formed, which is being chaired by the circle officer or assistant commissioner. Its function is to look after home quarantine as well as community quarantine within the particular ward and also provide food supply, hygiene, security, medical arrangement, etc. as per the notified government norms. Being proactive in this pandemic situation, Assam has already created very comprehensive quarantine infrastructure with over 30,000 quarantine and mass isolation beds and nearly 600 ICU beds. The state has also booked more than 1,000 rooms in the hotels around Guwahati and further identified various schools, colleges and bhavans for quarantine purposes, with an aim to accommodate over 5,000 people. In this period, Assam has achieved another milestone by opening first brand new super specialty COVID-19 hospital in Northeast India at Guwahati on 29th May 2020, where symptomatic and serious coronavirus patients can be treated. This super specialty hospital, inaugurated by the Honorable Health Minister of the state, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. This hospital is equipped with 200 beds, 50 state-of-the-art ICU beds with ventilators, and 150 isolation beds for COVID-19 patients, with an operation theatre and microbiology lab, so it can treat any complication associated with COVID apart from the dedicated COVID treatment. To help the citizen of Assam stranded outside the state, the Assam Cares Monetary Relief Program was launched by the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, and a dedicated helpline was also created to reach out to these beneficiaries. Till that, the program has completed around 5 lakh calls. It has also benefited 887 patients undergoing treatment for cancer, kidney or heart-related ailments who are stranded in various parts of the country. Monetary assistance of rupees 25,000 has been provided to each of these patients, and $1 lakh given to the 73 residents of Assam who are stranded outside the country during the lockdown. Till date, more than 3.5 lakh Assamese citizens who are stranded outside the state has received financial assistance of rupees 2,000 each. In its new avatar, proactive Assam government is already started planning and preparing for a post-COVID economy as well. The Industry and Commerce Department of each district of Assam has begun to disseminate information on the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan financial package for micro, small and medium enterprises, information being circulated to all industries and industry associations. Assam government has already started their discussions with Government of India and other promotion councils like Invest India, Japan External Trade Organization, US India Business Council and US Chamber of Commerce to facilitate and advise potential companies to consider Assam as an alternative hub of production in near future. In the conclusion, I must say there have been so much talks about the Kerala model, the Agra model and the Vilwara model. But the Assam model is going to be the next model that India is going to looking at for inspiration to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier, the state was neither known for its health infrastructure nor its proactive approach towards the finding solution. But now, under the right leadership vision of the Assam government, the state has set an example for the entire country. Still, it is a very long journey, many odds to be overcome, many problems to be resolved to turn this into a very successful story in the country. These are all my references which is used to make this presentation. All data is used in these presentations are up to 29th of May 2020. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Please don't forget to like and share my videos before leaving.